Hello good people, I'm Susanna. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to crochet the foundation chains with the stretchy chain with like a double chains. Okay, anyway, let's start. So please make a slip knot. The back hook. When you use hooking from back, it can avoid twisting. Okay. So chain 2. Then turn your chains and pick the back leech. Insert into the back leech and please make the first chain to make a knot. Okay, pull it a little bit tight here. Alright, then pull the yarn like this, hook from back and post it to all. And this is the first chain. That is not we don't count this chain. The first stitch is here, so please mark the first stitch, not to forget. Okay, then let's make stitches. This is the chain of the top. This is the chain of the bottom. Please insert the lower chain with 2 like this, and yarn over pull up a loop to the same height. Hold the yarn with thumb and middle finger like this. Pick the yarn from back and then pull through all. This is the second. Then please insert to the left leg and back loop. Pull up a loop. Make a chain. Or maybe you can divide into 2 sections. There is a hole here, so you can insert like this, so you can pick like this, so you can pick the 2 chains of the 2 loops of the chain of the bottom. Then yarn over and pull up a loop and pull through. Divide like this. Insert, pull up a loop, pull through. Divide into 2, insert, pull up a loop, pull through. Or maybe now you can see the chain towards to above, these chains towards to bottom, like this, to downward, these chains to upward. So when you crochet, this is the top and this is bottom, so just pick these 2 loops of the bottom chain and pull up a loop and pull through. Make 2 insert into 2 chains, pull up a loop, pull through. Please crochet like this. That is still okay. By the same manner. So when you make chains, do not make too loose or too tight. Just a nice and good gauge. Okay, so this is the chain, stretchy and also easy to make stitches from the next row. So this is very simple and easy foundation chains that I recommend. Too easy and too useful. I love this foundation stitch. like now. So this is my way. So please try this stretchy foundation stitch. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.